Hello dear students of class 10. Very good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing well. In our previous class, we began our learning of total English and we had completed until page number 21, and I had also given you some homework. Hope you have already done that one, but I did not get any homework from your side. Thus, you are requested to send the homework, and I will send only the answer only if you do your homework and send to me. You are asked to do the homework and send to me. Once at least 5, 10 students send the answers what they have done, then I will just do. So that means until now no student has given or sent the homework to me, which was given to you in the previous class on page number 10, 11. That is the homework you are asked to do, so you have not done that one. So dear students, anyway, to move ahead in our class, today also we will be focusing on total English test paper number 1, that is page number 22 to 32. These are the pages that we will be covering today. And in this test paper, it is a model question paper that is given to you for your board examination. So this is the type of question that you are going to get for your board examination, and here in test paper number 1, you have to understand to solve the entire thing. You have 2 hours time with you, and the model question it is given here. In this paper, at the end of the question, almost at the end of the page, starting from page number 28 to 32, already the answers are given. The question is already solved. So we don't have to spend much time here. It is a matter of reading and understanding what is given there, the methodology that is to be followed in your answering. So let us understand this question. See, answer to this paper must be written on the paper provided separately. You will not be allowed to write during the first 15 minutes time. This time is to be spent in reading the question paper, or for you are familiar with all those things. The time given at the end of this paper is the time allowed for writing the answers. Attempt all 5 questions. It is compulsory. You cannot leave any questions. So the intended marks for the questions or parts of the questions are given in brackets. You are advised to spend not more than 30 minutes in answering question 1 and 20 minutes in answering question 1 and 20 minutes in answering question 2. So more than that time if you take, won't be able to complete the other questions. So question number 1 is of course essay writing. That is, do not spend more than 30 minutes in this question. Your time is also given there. Write a composition of 300-350 words on one of the following questions that you need to select. Here, what you are asked to do, see 5 questions are given. Select any particular question which you are freely able to write. That one you have to select. Then that is the 15 minutes time to decide on which question you are going to attempt. So that is the time. Then question number 2, that is part of notice writing and email writing. These 2 questions are very much compulsory, and yesterday we have learned the format of notice writing and email writing, which you need to strictly follow. Do not spend, select one of the following. That is question number, and I made the mistake here. Question number 2, it is letter writing. There you have to select any one. Let us see. Select one of the following. You are stuck in a hostel due to flash floods in the state and will not be able to return home to celebrate Diwali with your family. Write a letter to your mother describing your feelings. Or write a letter to the municipal commissioner of your area complaining against the proposal of converting the only park in your area into a multi-level parking space. So in this question number 2, it is letter writing, and of this letter writing, one is formal letter and one is informal. Any one you can select. There is no objection, and the mark is same. But for me, I prefer to go for the formal type letter. The informal, that is easy to write, but formal type of letter that you need to practice. Then question number 3 is about, it is compulsory. Question number 3 has got 2 parts, A and B. Both are compulsory. About this one, yesterday we have already discussed. The first one is about writing a notice, and this notice and email. Second one is email. And these 2 questions are in relation with each other. Let us read and understand this question. Your school is organizing a workshop on online learning to train students of classes 9 and 10 on how to use new technology in computers and internet to facilitate online learning. These days we all have the online, offline learning. As the head of the computer club of your school, write a notice for your school asking the students interested in joining the workshop to submit their names. Then the second question, that is, write an email to the principal of a neighboring school informing her about the workshop of online learning to be held in your school, and requesting her to send the students of a school to attend this workshop. So the question number 3, A and B, they are connected. So, and total of 10 marks, you have 5 plus 5 marks. Then question number 4, it's a very important comprehension passage. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. So passage is given to you. After that, few questions are given. A, B, question number A. Here 3 words are given there, and here you are asked to give the meaning of each following words are used in the passage. One word answers or short phrases will be accepted. One word answer preferably, or if this one answer phrase will be accepted. That is what you have to. Then question number 2 is answering the questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions will be given to you, and based on the passage, after your understanding, you have to write the answer. There you don't have to simply write down only sentence copying from the passage. No, that is not allowed, dear students. Please remember that one. Then the question number C, that is 4C, that is in not more than 50 words, take how the fortunes of Juggins went on declining by day. So that is the summary writing. So then question number 5, you have got the grammar part. This is the grammar testing. So here grammar testing, it has got 4 sections again. A, B, C, D. Here in A, one passage is given, and there you need to write only the correct words, correct form of the verb or the word that is given in the bracket, that you have to do. Then moving ahead from there, question number B, it is fill in each blank with an appropriate word, correct use of the word. That is here, this is very important. So here, in all these areas, you need to write only the answers. You are not allowed to write the total passage, paragraph, sentence, no, only the answer. Then question number C, that is joining the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and but so. This is very important. You cannot see 2 sentences are given there, 4 sentences are given there. There you cannot use the following words like and but so. Without using any other way, you have to connect this sentence and make it into one single sentence. Example is given there. Come back soon, we will wait for you. We will wait for you until you come back. So once it is complete. Like that way, I returned home, I found the servant absent. So then again, she talks to her friends, she talks like a dictator. She talks to her friends like a dictator. Example, he will be late for school, that is certain. Definitely he will be late for school. She speaks the truth, she is not afraid to do so. She is not afraid to speak truth. Like that way you have truth. Then question number D is rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each. Make other changes that may be necessary. Do not change the meaning of the sentence. Again here 8 sentences are given and you have to write the sentence without changing the meaning. Here also you need to write only the answer, not both the sentences. Example, she was unwise to reveal the secret. Begin it. It was unwise of her to reveal the secret. She was unwise to reveal the secret. It was unwise of her to reveal the secret. So same way you have to write the answer. Yes, then on 28 onwards, yes dear students, page number 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. The solved model answers are given there. So only for this question these model answers are given. Thus in question number 1, the total question number 1, it is given 1B, 1C, all these things, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E. Here what you are asked to do, here the only model points are given there, outline is given there, and based on each outline you have to develop your answer, that is compulsory for all. Then question number 2 again, it is given on page number 30, question number 2A, 2B. Here you need to write only one, select any one. Then question number 3, that is smart learning, that is question number 3A, 3B. Any one, no, you have to attempt both, email and notice, both you have to write. Then question number 4, the model answer is given again there. Question number 5, again the answer is given there, 5A, B, C, D, all these things are given there. Thus from your side again I remind you of sending your homework, that is given on page number, homework page number, page 10, 11. Please do complete this one. At least when I get the answers of 5 to 10 students, then I will forward the answer to you. Without that, don't simply think that I will send the answer, you can simply copy it right down right there. No, that will not work. Your job you have to do. Okay dear students, we stop here and we continue with our next lesson, that is chapter number 2 in our next class. Hope you have understood the class. Until we meet again with next chapter, stay tuned, stay protected. These days I will be calling you for an online class to discuss your doubts, and so most probably in the coming days I will inform well in advance. Alright, until then you take care, bye bye. Thank you very much for attending the class.